This is the ORAP. I am Vanessa James. Here are the stories making headlines today. Firefighters on Tuesday staged a protest outside the Ministry of Labor and Social Security at National Heroes Circle, alleging poor staff welfare at the Jamaica Fire Brigade. It is the latest in a wave of protests among civil servants since last week, following demonstrations by members of the National Water Commission, air traffic controllers, and National Housing Trust employees. A Jamaican man suspected of being one of 4 men involved in the smuggling of migrants into the United States has reportedly been arrested in Florida. According to U.S. media reports, Shane Anthony Clacken was arrested on charges of human smuggling as well as attempting to re-enter the United States after being previously deported. A criminal complaint filed Sunday also states that Guyanese national Joel Dataram was charged with similar offenses. Both men were previously deported from the U.S. after being convicted of felony drug offenses. Along with the Jamaican and Guyanese, 2 Bahamian men have been identified as the other smugglers, according to reports. A Jamaica Defense Force sergeant has been charged with murder and illegal possession of firearm following the discovery of a dead woman in his vehicle on February 26. The charges against Theophilus Tracy were confirmed by his attorney-at-law, Peter Champagny, on Tuesday in the Kingston and St. Andrew Parish Court. Tracy is to appear before the gun court on Thursday, May 19. He was previously charged with failure to hand over his firearm to police officers during the investigation into the circumstances surrounding the discovery of the dead woman in his car. Tracy is to return to court on July 28 to answer to that charge. The family of former Haitian Senator Joseph Joel John are to be deported after pleading guilty to illegal entry into Jamaica. John's wife Edume, 38, and her 2 sons applied for asylum in Jamaica through the Passport Immigration and Citizenship Agency. The application was subsequently denied and an appeal was made. In an impassioned speech to the Kingston and St. Andrew Parish Court, the attorney-at-law representing the family, Donna Hugh Martin, expressed his displeasure at the government's handling of their application for refugee status, resulting in the eventual deportation of his clients to their country of origin. John was one of 3 suspects who were being hunted in relation to the July 2021 assassination of former Haitian President Jovenel Moïse. President of the Republic of India, Ramnath Kovind, has pointed to education and business as areas of possible collaboration between his country and Jamaica. Kovind, who was addressing a special joint sitting of the Jamaica Parliament Tuesday morning, also pointed to sports, tourism, and entertainment where both countries could work together. Regarding education, Kovind said that India, under its national education policy, was planning to start new Indian Institutes of Technology abroad. Kovind is on a 4-day state visit to Jamaica as part of celebrations to mark the country's 60th anniversary of independence. This has been the ORAP. Catch up with these and other stories on JamaicaObserver.com. I am Vanessa James.